Hello all, my name is Avi Singh Thakur and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Junior Genius Classes. So today we are going to discuss the solar system and the planets. Let's start. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. Planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So let us understand the planets with definitions and quick facts. Let's start with first one, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the sun. Its orbit around the sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the sun's planets. Quick facts about Mercury. Mercury does not have any moons or rings. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Your weight on Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. A year on Mercury takes 88 Earth days. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, as the brightest natural object in Earth's night sky after the moon. Venus can cast shadows and can be on rare occasions visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. It is also called the Earth's twin. Quick facts about Venus. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the sun. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. About 29.2% of Earth's surface is land, consisting of continents and islands. Quick facts about Earth. Earth is almost a sphere. Earth is mostly iron, oxygen and silicon. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. Quick facts about Mars. Mars and Earth have approximately the same landmass. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. On Mars, the sun appears about the half size as it does on Earth. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000 the mass of Sun. Quick facts about Jupiter. Jupiter cannot become a star. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. The clouds on Jupiter are only 50 km thick. Jupiter has rings. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. Quick facts about Saturn. Saturn is the most distant planet that can be seen with the naked eye. Saturn is the flattest planet. Saturn's upper atmosphere is divided into bands of clouds. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of mythology, Greek god of the sky. Uranus, who according to Greek mythology was the great grandfather of Ares, grandfather of Zeus and father of Cronus. Quick facts about Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known solar planet from the sun in the solar system. Quick facts about Neptune. Neptune is the most distant planet from the sun. Neptune is the smallest of all the gas giants. Neptune's surface gravity is almost Earth-like. So hope you enjoyed my video and have a nice day. Thank you.